Hello everyone, welcome back. Functional mobility workout for today. Let's get started. Take your mat, let's inhale first deeply and let's work. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, knees on the ground, arms on the ground. We're gonna start with upper body mobility. Shoulder blades, scapular. So from here, first relax your shoulder blades, drop your spine down, inhale, exhale, push up, one more, and one more. Okay, lock your core low back. From here, we're gonna rotate our shoulder blades down, pushing up and down, up and down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're back. Forward, same thing. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, from here we continue. Inhale deeply first. Drive your left arm towards the right side. Exhale and the right arm drive forward. Breathe. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you switch. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. Okay, take a deep breath again. Exhale. Rotate your arms inside, palms inside. Look forward. Take a deep breath. We're gonna exhale, drive your chest towards the ground. Pike your back when you are pushing up. And 2, and 3. Nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower, closer to the floor, and just breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drive your head backwards. Arms straight forward. Baby pose. Just chill a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. Okay, take a deep breath again. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Starting from the left side. Left arm rotate inside. Your left elbow goes on the ground. Your palm is supporting the right knee. From here, your right arm drives forward. You're gonna inhale. You're gonna exhale. You're gonna open towards the side. Bend it. And 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5. Twist and open up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Hold. 3, 2, 1, and release. Take a deep breath. We're gonna switch side. Right arm, elbow on the ground, rotate it inside. Right palm is supporting your knee. Left twist. And 2. Go ahead. 3. Nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back up. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, we continue with hips. Hip forward, left leg towards the side. First, we're gonna drive hip forward. We're gonna drive towards the left and then forward. Left and then forward. Here we go, 10. 1, nice and smooth. 2, nice. 3, 4, keep your hip always forward. 5, lock your core low back. 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Then we switch, right leg, hip forward. Here we go, towards the side and forward. 1, nice. 2, 3, breath. 4, go ahead. 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Release. Okay, the next one, we're gonna move forward. Open up, relax towards the side, toes rotated outside. From here, we're gonna squat down first. The first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna move the butt backwards and down, backwards and down. Here we go, 10. And 2, nice and smooth. 3, 4, feel your hamstrings. 5, nice. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep holding this. I just show it from the side. From here, straight legs, arms in front of you. Just relax, fall forward all over. Enjoy, feel your hamstrings. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath. Your left arm drives towards the right side. Open up with your right arm. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Awesome. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the middle. Grab your legs. Your head fall all over. Fall forward. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, slowly we continue. We're gonna bend our right leg. Left rotated, fully straight. Try to sit down. If you cannot do properly, you can put a pillow or yoga block. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down fully, then close your legs. Right one. Fall forward how you can, grab your legs and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we back. You bend your right leg, place it on the ground. From here, you elevate. We're gonna switch side. Same thing. Straight legs first, and then you bend your left, right leg rotated. Try to sit down. Try to hold first if you can, like this. And after that, you can sit down. 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Left leg drives forward. Fall forward, grab your toes, and hold. If you cannot reach your toes, you can use a towel or something, or a strap. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we bend again our left knee, grab towards the side, back to the middle, take a deep breath. Left arm again drives towards the side, exhale, twist up. This time your right arm should reach your left hip. Hold 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Left arm should reach your right hip. Hold 3, 2, 1. Slowly back to the middle. Bend your legs, knees on the ground, frog position. Frog, nice and smooth. Look forward. Keep your hip in the middle. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we continue elevating your left foot, rotating up, twist, and then right. 2, nice and smooth. 3, go ahead. 4, nice. 5, 6, 7, use your strength and mobility. 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Back to the middle, drive your hip backwards. Feel that stretch in the hip. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you want to enjoy longer, you can just take your time and enjoy longer. Here we go. Lock your legs. We continue. Take a deep breath. You go to down dog. Breathe, down dog. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're gonna drive our hip towards the side. Fall forwarding. Right stretch. Back to the middle. Left, same thing. Back to the middle. Awesome. Right leg in front. Bend it. Left leg straight up. Left leg straight. Arms straight up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms on the ground. Down dog. Breathe. Hold down dog. 3, 2, 1. Left leg forward. Right leg straight. Arms up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms on the ground. Down dog. Breathe. We continue. We're gonna do upper facing dog with the left leg towards the side, sliding. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Back to down dog. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Right leg slides towards the side. Left drives down. Hold. 3, 5. Sorry. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to down dog. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Hip towards the side. Roll forward. Back to down dog. Switch towards the left. Back to down dog. Now again, upper facing dog with the left leg bended towards the side. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Down dog. Switch. Right leg open up towards the side. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Back to down dog. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Finishing with some chill position. From here, flat back, lie down on your back, grab your knees closer to your chest, open towards the side, hold. You can put your head on the ground, just hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, if you can, just open your legs straight towards the side, keep your legs on your knees, and just hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your legs slightly, stand up. If you can, open your legs towards the side and do pancake forward. And hold how you can. 5, 4, or 10. Let's do 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly up. You bend your right leg in front, left leg back, and fall forward. Feel the right side right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you switch. Left in front, right go back. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Let's finish. Cross your legs. 3 deep inhales. Exhale. 1 more. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. Okay, we're done, my friends. I hope you find it useful. Subscribe, share, comment, enjoy, take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Bye bye.